This is Eric Mwather with Mwather.com. What I want to do today is I would like to take a look at how I go through the selection process every day when I wake up, and we are watching what the market is doing early on in the trading session. Is what I try and do is because there's so many stocks and I probably follow about 800, 900, a list that I continuously manually edit. I always add, remove, just depending on how the stocks are doing. And so it's a manual list that I keep pruning and putting back and doing all that stuff. So every day what I try and do is I only pay attention only to the stocks that are moving up 3% or more. The reason why I do this is because I believe this is where you're going to find great movers. If a stock wants to do well for you, it has to prove that it has the energy, the makeup, the intention to move higher. For example, and this is a good example. Yesterday, I sent you guys an email and I made a video about a breakout alert for this stock here, GV. Yesterday, that stock was up about 8% at the close. Today, it's up another 17%. So what I'm trying to say here is that great stocks tend to have a habit of continuing giving you good gains, especially when they are moving higher. They might pull back, but when they're moving higher, they always seem to have that push and another push. So I only pay attention to stocks that are gaining 3% for the day. Otherwise, I don't really give too much attention to the rest of them. And I also try and follow stocks that are up. Like, for example, these three that I highlight here or that are highlighted here are the ones that are breaking out and they've triggered an alert on my tool here, which is MedVed. It's a free tool. So stocks that are gaining 3% or stocks that are breaking out. And so what I do once I do that, I take the list and I put them on a stockcharts.com format here, and I try this. For example, today I have about 40 stocks that I have to go through one by one to see which ones I need to send to you guys as breakout alerts. So I have to consider what the market is doing, my feeling of where the market is going, even though I don't know for sure. And then the other thing I have to absolutely make sure is that the stocks I bring to my subscribers are stocks that are breaking out. And not only are they breaking out, they are part of a leadership sector. They have to be part of a leadership sector. Otherwise, I don't bother with them. You want to have stocks that are moving, not because they're just moving, but because there's something, they're institutions, hedge funds, big money players that are moving into a sector or into a theme, and your stock is part of that theme. They smart money tends to move stocks in waves. So, or also stocks in the same sector, same industry. So we have to make sure that the stocks are in the right leadership sector. So I go through the list one by one, and for example, I'll just go through the list here, and what I do is I convert all the charts into 3-year format so we can take a look at them from our main view. Here's an example here of a stock that I sent earlier this week or late last week. And it is because it was about to break out again here on a monthly closing basis. It's doing well, very well for us this week and this month, up already 18% for the month. That's a nice looking stock. And the reason why I like it is because the RSI was moving above 69.10. So I'll just go down the list here. Here's one that I introduced to you guys late last year because I thought, and we've been playing the financial sector as of late 2012, because I saw that it was just about to break out, and because it was moving through a 3-year high, which can be seen by the price jump here, the stock was a buy at just under $200 or somewhere around $200, and it's done so well over the last 2 months. Here's one I will not be introducing to anybody because it's not breaking out. Here's one that I'm going to do some more research because I like it because the RSI on a monthly basis, is just about to break out to a 3-year high. just about to do that. You see that it's breaking out of this range here. So this is one that I'm gonna put on my further short list. CBS here is doing well. I'm not going to introduce this one to you guys again because last year the stock was introduced to subscribers, and I'm not sure whether it was this breakout here or this breakout. But at any rate, the stock's been doing well, and we've been playing that one over the last couple of months. Here's one that I'm going to add to the list just for today for further research, because I see that it is breaking out, and the price is breaking out here. More importantly, I like what the RSI is doing as it moves and plays in the 69.10 area. Here's one that we've been playing over the last couple of months. The breakout was here, so we've been playing this stock ever since it moved above that level there at about 13. Nice mover there, and it's been doing very well because it met our minimum requirements. I'm gonna add this on my short list for the day just because it's breaking out here, and because the monthly RSI is at 69.10 and above. This is one that we've been playing, one of the best stocks in 2012. And so I'm going to go through the list one by one. Remember, at the end of 2012, 3 of the top 5 stocks that made the top gainers for 2012, 3 of those 5 stocks were part of Mother.com picks. So we did very well in 2012 too. And it's just because we let our stocks come to us and we let them meet our minimum requirements. This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings. I am out. Woo!